These barrels start their life as a 225-litre Bordeaux transport wine barrel, where after only 4 to 7 years in the vineyard, they are recycled by us into something special, Barrel Kamado. Completely lined with castable fire brick refractory, the beautiful oak is protected and remains cool to the touch. Typically, you control a fire, or rather temperature, by controlling the airflow to it, and the BK goes further than other Kamado on the market by introducing micro vents and twin top vents. The lower main and micro vents go right to the bottom of the charcoal, so you choose which part of the fire basket burns first. The integrated rotisserie can be used full width or in conjunction with cast iron grates. You can alter the airflow with the top vents by simply opening up or screwing down the vent. They don't leak, are stainless and rainproof, and give unparalleled control of heat, smoke and air within the cooking chamber. Several grill rests within the BK not only allow for flexible cooking levels, but also the fire to be raised or lowered. The BK can stay outside all year round with no cover, but a glass top is both useful as extra protection and as a table when not cooking. Everything has been thoroughly thought through, from the P-section seals and the counterbalanced lid to the multi-setup inside. It is a smoker, grill, oven and rotisserie. Fully loaded with cast iron and stainless steel, this will give years and years of joy. We hope you love yours as much as we love ours.